Hello, I'm Benjamin, and I'm going to show you how to sing the Sing Your Name song in your classroom. As you can see, I do not have any students here, so I'm going to be singing the names of my family members. And I would usually play an instrument. You could bang on a drum to keep the beat, but I'm just going to be clapping my hands because you can do that too. Hey John, we can sing your name. Hey Aaron, we can sing your name. Hey Deborah, we can sing your name. And if you had a very long name in your class, like Esmeralda W., you could sing that too. Just change it a little bit. You could do it like this. Hey Esmeralda W., we can sing your name. So I hope you enjoy singing the song, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.